Hi, I'm Clara Capano, and I am here for this week's Moment of Clarity. You might have heard the saying that in a car, when the maintenance lights go on, you need to dial it in and make sure you are taking care of the car so that it works at optimal level. We then can equate that to ourselves, making sure that we are giving ourselves enough self care to make sure we too can perform at our optimal levels. But what I want you to consider this week is that there are other areas to your life that also need maintenance. We can't just focus on self care. We also need to maintain our relationships, our creativity, our growth, and every area of our life. And we do this to make sure that we are operating at the highest level possible so that we can live the greatest life possible. So this week, take a moment and scan your life. Are there areas that are being neglected? And if so, give it a little maintenance. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time for a moment of clarity.